Hello, I am David W. Parker, and this is Programming Today I Learned, and we'll be starting off this first episode in the Webpack series. We're just going to be setting up Webpack today, and I'll explain a little bit about what Webpack is. This is all stolen from the What is Webpack website, so you should check that out in the resources here, as well as the Getting Started guide on their tutorials as well. So I'll just read this verbatim. Webpack takes modules of dependencies and generates static assets representing those modules. That's kind of a mouthful, but basically what it means is it takes up any kind of input files, whether it's a CSS file, SAS file, JavaScript, and it compiles it all together, and it allows you to have one module loaded via Webpack. I threw out a few of these pointers here of how it's different and how Webpack is better than just going ahead and putting in script tags into your HTML. Long story short for me, it's the fact that it's extremely powerful with its plugin system. There's basically plugins to do any kind of text conversion that you'd like. Code splitting, which enables you to have different paths within your code that only loads particular files when it needs to. Loaders are extremely powerful and basically transforming any kind of resource other than JavaScript, so CSS, SAS, etc. And those are the main three for me, and then they have a clever parsing thing that they explain on the website. So what we're looking at here is we have this HTML file, and all it has is a single script with a bundle, and then I have two different files here. I have one called entry.js and one called second. This one basically sets the exports to it works from second.js, and the first one has two document writes, one that has it works and then a couple of line breaks, and then document write and then a require of this second one. So looking back at the top of the README here, we've already installed Webpack and then HTTP server, so we can check it out. So we're going to run this command here to bundle the entry.js. So if we could run that, we'll see this kind of output here, and you can see how many bytes this was compiled into, or what it was and what it's compiled into right here. And then we can go ahead and run the server and click refresh here. You can see here's it works, which is the document.write, and then the second one. So if we take a look at the compiled bundle, this is what it shows for Webpack. So you could see this is the modules that it includes, and it helps. This is their stuff to help load up modules based on requirements. And then it finally says require 0. 0 here is the definition of our entry, which we put in the Webpack command line. And then here you can even see it says Webpack require 1, and 1 is the name of the second file. So it basically compiles it all together for us nice and neatly, so that it's able to have a single bundle.js. That's it for this first episode. In later episodes, we'll be looking at loaders, and we'll be looking at a lot of different plugins and configuration of just why and how Webpack becomes so powerful. Thank you. If you like what you saw, please subscribe.